Hey guys, what's up? It's Lolo. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another curly hairstyle of the week, and this week it is celebrity inspired. It is based off of the Nicki Minaj Chun-Li album cover. I think she looks like a boss lady, and it is super cute and really easy. It's mostly focused on these little edges here. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video because it really supports my channel. Okay, all right, let's get into it. All right guys, so let's get started. My hair is kind of a mess right now. I haven't done a wash routine in like 4 or 5 days. Super dry, but it's already kind of parted in the middle because I was wearing my hair a different hairstyle. But anyway, so I'm just taking some water and I'm going to oh, it's dripping already. I'm just going to, wow, I'm already dripping. Part my hair down the middle, straight back, as straight as I can get it. I'm gonna take a hair tie and just section this part off. I'm just gonna wet the base of my hair, so the edges right here, the top of my hair, and then underneath right here. And once again, this is just water. Now I'm going to take my Diva Curl Melt in Moisture leave-in, or this isn't a leave-in, it's just a deep conditioning butter mask. But I use it as a deep conditioner, or leave-in. So then I'm just taking a little finger scoop of that, and I'm just going to work this onto the base of my hair, along my roots, and this is just going to be a layer of protection between my hair and like the harsher chemicals of the gel. Take some Eco Styling Gel, the fave, but I'm just taking a little finger scoop amount, and I'm just going to work this mostly along the front where my edges are and the top right here. So now that we have all our products, I'm just once again going to wet it a little bit, and I'm going to take a smoother brush and just smooth it all out so there's no bumps. Make sure you smooth the back as well. And this is okay if this starts to get really fluffy because we want it to be like that. So it's okay with this. You can brush the rest of your hair out a little bit if you want, because we want that part to be big. But anyway, so I just smoothed it all. And now let me look at the picture real quick. Okay, so if you look back at the picture of Miss Nicki, it's the buns. Okay, it looks like her buns are like positioned a little bit back, so I'm going to measure it from my ear and then like halfway. So the halfway point between my ear and this part is like right here. Whoa, okay. So there we go. Should we just leave it like that? If you want to, you can go ahead and add some extensions right now to make your bun bigger. I'm just gonna kind of brush it out a little bit so it's nice and big. And then, yeah, it's just kind of wrapped around, I think. So I'm gonna make a little cinnamon like that and just keep cinnamoning it. Is that a word, Lauren? Cinnamon it around, and then you just gotta mess with it until you get it the way you want it to. It's not going to be perfect. So then once you get it the way you want it, take another hair tie, secure it off. And then you take a bobby pin and like secure some of these flyaways in. And we got one Chun-Li bun done. Alright, we're going to do the same exact thing to the other side. We are moving on to the main part of this hairstyle, which is these crazy edges. So, using a toothbrush, some water, and the Eco Styler gel. So I'm just gonna spray my toothbrush with water and scoop some gel onto the toothbrush. And now I'm going to first smooth everything down. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. And I keep dipping my toothbrush into my gel. And then now I'm going to go and start pulling out my edges. And I'm using quite a bit of the gel because I need these to stay put. So the same thing to the other side, just scooping some gel and making sure everything is laid. You guys want to come closer? Hello. So I'm just brushing them all out right now. And basically layering my forehead in gel. So now I'm looking at the picture and she doesn't really have like a lot of swoops going on. You can see like she has like a little swoop in the front, but then the sides of her edges are just kind of straight down. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna swoop the front and swoop this front And then the rest of these I'm gonna make into like a straight line. Is that how she does it? I think the main part of this look is just to have as many edges out as you can. And there you go. I'm just going to take a paper towel, wet it a little bit, and just wipe off your extra gel and blend your makeup back in. You feel me? Alright, and that is the completed Chun-Li Nicki Minaj inspired look. Oh wait, hang on, let me like change or something. Okay, I just put on a fur coat because I don't have the Fendi little duty thing she has on, or the little Fendi jacket she has on, but I got my brown fur. Ooh, so yeah, that completes this Chun-Li Nicki Minaj inspired look. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, leave me a comment of what you want to see next. Alright, see you next time. Bye.